anniversary nila ngayon. So, pupunta kami. Ito na sa inyo kami. Kaya kami dun sa Gringo. So, sige. Going in. Okay. So, ayan. Nasa loob na kami ng SM. Dito ako pa dito. Ayaw. So, ito. Muna kami sa kanya na pupunta dito sa kabila. So, yeah. Look at that. Going up! Going up! Going up! It's 1 minute and something seconds. Walking on the bridge. Yo! Han! Hi! Wow! Ang kulit nila. Still walking on the bridge. Tagal. We're at the bridge already. Hey, going from the... Gonna go to the Gringo already. I think it's Gringo. So, yeah. Going down. Up, ando sa unan. Going at the Gringo already. So, we're almost there. Kaya bumaba tayo. Be. We're at the Gringo already. Gringo. Gringo style. Ang kulit niya, guys. Uy, Spider-Man. Wala po, Gringo. Uy po na. So guys, this is all oral beers. I thought it was shake or something. It was a beer. All beverages. So we're here waiting for the food in Gringo. Yeah, waiting for the food for Gringo. So we're waiting there.
Anong flavor?
Beef na kasi may chicken. Maybe minutes or hours. Maybe minutes. So,
Saan ba?
Wag nang galaw ng galaw, Han. Wag nang galaw ng galaw.
the food is here! Nice food. Nice Mexican food. I like it. I love it. May maghahi ka, dali. Maghahi ka. Mexican rice. Their anniversary. So we will just eat our